If you need some help with your next project and content, you can access Filmora 12's newest feature, which is the integration of AI Copywriting or ChatGPT. If you want to see how it works, please watch the whole video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you are out of words and you need a catchy description for your videos online, you can use Filmora 12's AI Copywriting tool. Simply type how you would like your description and the AI will take care of it for you. Out of ideas on writing your video's title? Don't worry! You can also ask the AI copywriting tool of Filmora 12 to give you some suggestions for your summer vlogs this year. Are you having a hard time writing a script or maybe plotting your content? Let Filmora 12's AI copywriting tool do the hard work for you. Simply ask it to write a script and just describe how you want it to go. After generating the AI tool's response, you can copy it and paste it to another software for processing. If you don't have a huge collection of music in your library and not sure what music best suits your video, you can also ask this AI copywriting tool to suggest some good music for your content. That's all for this video, and I hope you learned something here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.